emotion is last in the list. Why? You know the reason why.
Has no thinking.
Nothing. It has no ability to think. That's why God listed it in the last of the list. So again, the 5 essences or attributes of man: self-consciousness. You are conscious that you are handsome or you are alive. That's self-consciousness. Number 2, your mentality. Your mind is working right now while you're listening to the teaching of the Word of God. Mentality. Then the third is your volition, your free will. God enables you to have it so you will know what is good and what is right. See, what is right and wrong. That's volition. Conscience.